Hello friends, we are going to discuss an example in this presentation. So, if cos x plus cos y is equal to 4 by 5 and cos x minus cos y is equal to 2 by 7, then find the value of 14 tan x minus y divided by 2 plus 5 cot x plus y divided by 2. So, here we are given with the condition which is cos x plus cos y is equal to 4 by 5. And this is in the form of the formula which is cos c plus cos d is equal to 2 cos c plus d divided by 2 into cos c minus d divided by 2. And now let us expand this by using this formula. So here by expanding we get here 2 cos c plus d, which is nothing but x plus y divided by 2 into cos c minus d, which is x minus y divided by 2. Which is equal to the value 4 by 5. And now let us name this equation as equation 1. And now let us expand the second condition, which is in the form of the formula cos c minus cos d is equal to minus 2 sin c plus d divided by 2 into sin c minus d divided by 2. So by using this formula, let us expand. So here we get minus 2 sin x plus y divided by 2 into sin x minus y divided by 2, which is equal to its value 2 by 7. And now let us name this equation as equation 2. And now let us divide equation 1 with equation 2. So here by dividing, we get 2 cos x plus y divided by 2 into cos x minus y divided by 2, then whole divided by the value of equation 2, which is minus 2 sin x plus y divided by 2 into sin x minus y divided by 2 on the LHS side, which is equal to 4 by 5, then whole divided by 2 by 7 on the RHS side. And now let us simplify. So here 2 in the numerator and 2 in the denominator gets cancelled, and here we have cos x plus y divided by 2 divided by sin x plus y divided by 2. So here we get minus cot x plus y divided by 2 according to its definition into cot x minus y divided by 2, which is equal to 4 by 5 into the reciprocal of the denominator, which will be 7 by 2 here. And now let us simplify. So here 2 one time is 2 and 2 times is 4. So that implies we get here minus cot x plus y divided by 2 into here cot x minus y divided by 2. Let us write this in terms of tan. So here we get 1 by tan x minus y divided by 2, which is equal to 2 into 7, which is 14 divided by the denominator 5. And now let us cross multiply. So here by cross multiplying, we get here minus 5 into cot x plus y divided by 2, which will be equal to 14 into tan x minus 5 divided by 2. And now let us transfer minus 5 cot x plus y divided by 2 to the RHS side. So here by transferring, we get 14 tan x minus y divided by 2 plus of here as minus gets transferred, so it becomes plus. So here we get plus 5 into cot x plus y divided by 2, which is equal to 0. So hence 0 is the value of 14 tan x minus y divided by 2 plus 5 cot x plus y divided by 2. So make a note of the formulas of cos c plus cos d and also the formula for cos c minus cos d. Hope you understood the concept. Refer to more videos on our channel VTech Academy. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.